Come on. I'm back expensive like our. So guys, we're in MART, but in here it's a bit empty.
24.
You have to match with the bag.
Yeah.
You see the crayon bag one down there, so?
Look at that cute bag.
And they have like the ice creams. She loves the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Maybe we get one of them, you know. Maybe we get one before we go.
Yeah.
One of the chocolate ones, but we have to get it when we're going out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna melt.
It's gonna melt, so we have to get it when we're going out.
See this. This is picking up ice cream.
Those are waffles. Come on. So guys, come. Mangoes. Oh my god, look at the price, guys. 500 for one mango. Are they kidding me? They must be crazy. That's crazy. That's so crazy. What are those? Those are pizza? Those are all pizza, you know? I think those are like vegetarian pizza. See? Can you guys see? All of those are pizza.
And there also a French fries. Those are French fries, mommy.
Yeah. All of those are pizza.
Look at this cheese.
Come on. And they have the burgers and all. Yeah, but we're not seeing. And a lot of fruit, guys. But we're not getting any of those today.
What is those right here?
I have no idea what are those.
Mushrooms.
Don't touch it. I don't think these are mushrooms.
No, and it's not that I'm talking about.
It says squash.
This one.
Yeah, those are mushrooms, but this is a squash. I've never seen that before in my life. And those are mushrooms. Those are big mushrooms. They look like chicken, not true? Those look like chicken.
That's the big one.
They all look like chicken.
I don't know. These they look like a banana.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. We've never seen that before.
Oh, look. Those are the tomatoes that on our tree. The little beanie ones. What come on the tree? But we have the little tree. The little beanie tomatoes then. Yeah. And they have American apple.
I've never seen yellow apple before.
You never seen yellow apple before?
No.
All kind of different apple.
One time we bought a green apple.
I've never tried this before. I think this is called a pear. I've never tried that before.
I don't know what is these.
Those are what are those? I don't know what are those. And cane.
Blueberries.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna get any of those.
No. Pumpkin. They are big pumpkin. Oh.
Those are not pumpkin, those are melons. Hold on.
I'm talking about these.
All of those are melons.
It's melon.
No, like, I think I want to try that. I'm gonna see any price.
You're not gonna burn that out.
And those are not apple, you know?
I know.
I think those are peach or something.
Yeah, peach.
I never tried before. What the hell are these? Hold on, Mom. What the hell? This is an apple, you guys. Look at this. This is crazy.
Big.
It's big, right?
Yeah.
Those we're looking for something totally different. This is cassava chips. I've never tried this before. St. Mary cassava chips. I I think I should get one of these. We should have got a basket, you know. Yeah, those are original. Let me see. These are original chipsies. Chippies. But I don't really like these ones, but these are really good. Banana chips. And I have the St. Mary's. What means away?
I really want one of these. I've never tried this before.
What's this? Cheese and onion. Is that chips?
Yeah, we're going to try now.
Hold on. Mega chips. Where is this made?
Right here. And there are some different things right here.
Hold on, Marisa. I think we should have got a basket. So let's get a basket. Let's get a trolley or a basket.
I think I'm
Before Marisa.
let's go
So hold on. I think I want to try one of these. One of these cassava chips. Hold on. So we have the cassava chips. Light started. Come baby, come. And this is also a cassava chip. Oh, this is in sour cream and onion. Ooh. I think we should get the both of them.
popcorn.
Now hold on. You chicken.
This one.
I don't like that.
What is that?
Roasted chicken.
What's that chicken?
Oh, see they have some smaller ones up here. And they have the smaller ones. Oh, I think I'm going to buy one of these. I will go home and eat, right?
Yes, but you're not ready to eat yet.
Yeah, we're going to get cake. We're going to leave the trolley right there and we're going to get cake.